Our mass manufacturing and product achievements are vacuum insulation panel with flexible designs for various applications, decorative integrated vacuum insulation panel for external cladding, external wall insulation, or internal roof insulation, vacuum insulated wallpaper for internal wall insulation, internal roof insulation, interior insulation for various applications. And we have vacuum insulated bag or box that consists of vacuum insulated medical box, deep cold box, rolling card cover, and fresh bag for transport and storage of medical, food, and logistics applications. We have recently launched vacuum insulated curtain where you don't need to replace windows. It is a DIY, minimizes cooling, heating, energy loss. It installs just like a normal curtain. And our mass manufacturing and production achievements, which is going to be launched very soon in 2025, which is vacuum insulated heatable curtain that provides gentle radiant heating while effectively blocking cold transfer through windows.